Hi everyone. So today I want to show you how to apply Esther's calling. It's the tamarind oil, broccoli seed oil, and essential oils of myrrh. And there's my dog barking. What I recommend is people wash their face with the Norwex Body Cloth first. I got mine wet already, so we're gonna go ahead and get that part out of the way. And then you can massage the cloth into your face and really pick up all the dirt and oil. Okay. When you're using the Esther's Calling Face Serum on your face, you're going to use 2 to 3 drops of oil, and 4 if you're doing the date night for the extra shine. Alright, here we go. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. And then I take it into my fingers and my fingertips and then gently massage it in.
Can I have a bun? Hi.
Let me finish this video and I'll give you a bun. So the broccoli seed oil adds shine. The tamarind oil is an antibacterial agent, and it's really good for your skin. And myrrh, as mentioned in the Bible, was used for Esther's calling. And the story of Esther. Hi, honey. And it's been used for thousands of years, and I just like it. So there's that. I'll have to do another video when some kids are busy and dogs aren't barking and get distracted. But instead of makeup, this is what I do.